Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some Happy Mail with you today. And so I have a few cards to share as well as some Happy Mail box. So let me get right into it. So this one here, this beautiful card is from Sharing More, and it says Mary. And then in the inside, may your days be merry and bright, from Ebony. And this card was also made by Tanya Coleman. So it's a beautiful card. It has a little bit of gold going around it. On the outside, look, she had a gold pin or something to accent that. And then also it has some gold dots. I don't know for sure if you can see it. It's got an iridescent gold on there. So we have that one. This beautiful card came from Angie B. Love the background. Love this die, or if it's a cutout from one of your machines, just let me know because I want to grab that. It's so pretty, and then has a little bit of stickles on there. Just super cute with the little bird sitting there. It says, may your Christmas be cozy, warm, and bright. Just adorable. Merry Christmas. From YouTube. It's art by Angie B. And so I'll have the ladies' links down below, and I have one more card to share with you. And then this one is from Sybil B. And love this. It's so cute. Special delivery with the little animals that are stacked on top of each other with the little bird there. Adorable card. And then in the inside, she was just wishing me a Merry Christmas. And thanks for being a part of this wonderful crafting community. And that's from Sybil B. Just adorable. And then those are the three there. I thought I would share this Happy Mail that I got from Gail Banks Creates, if I'm not mistaken. That's her name of her channel. I'll have her link down below as well. I just want to come on and thank Gail for sending me some Happy Mail or Merry Mail. And yes, I've already seen it, but I thought I would show everyone what I got from her starting out. We have some cute washi tape. Look at that. Got the little Santa Claus on there. Plaid washi tape. Really cute. And then this is how she had sent it. And, well, it was wrapped up like that. But really pretty. Let me start out with the card. And Gail, I want to know where you got this card stock. Oh, it is amazing. It is so thick. But it says, love, joy, and believe. Just read what it says. Wishing you a season of gladness, a season of cheer, and to top it all off, a wonderful year. And says, from your crafty friend, Gail Banks. Thanks so much. And this is beautiful. I noticed I had seen you when you made this on your channel. But this is amazing. And I love this cardstock. It is so thick. So I just need to know where you got that from. And like I said, I'll have this linked on to another video. And let me show you what else she sent in this cute little package. And I love how she made this. It's a little holder. Oh, sorry about shaking that. And then look, it's so pretty. Look at this. Amazing. And these are stickers or either rub-ons. I'm not quite sure, but they are beautiful. So I'll be able to use those for next year. And then look at these. Can't even pick it up. But look at these. I did take these out the package to take a peek. I tell you, I was just all over this because I wasn't expecting it. And it is so cute. Look at that. It's adorable. These are so cute. But love those. Thanks so much, Gail. I really appreciate you thinking of me. And like I said, I'll have her link down below as well. And now let's get into that Happy Mail box. And then this one is from, Fun Creations. And I'll have her link down below. And it's so cute. Already cute. And she knows that I love autumn. So, of course, she decorated it with the pumpkins. And it has harvest blessings. Blessed there, little turkey there, and one there. Just so cute how she decorated, and of course the little leaves there. All right, let's get into this. I have not peeked, so you will be checking this out with me. Adorable already. Look at that. That is so pretty with those huge leaves on there. Let's get this open. And this is just too cute. She embossed this in the back. I don't know if you can tell. You can see that, but it is so pretty. And then her little gems that she's added. Happy Harvest there. And she was just letting me know that she appreciates my love and support and wishing me blessings of the season. Just so pretty. And then she has her handmade by Lucretia Johnson on the back. Beautiful card. Beautiful. And hopefully I won't get so excited because, yeah, it shows in my voice. All right, let's get into this. Here's that autumn going across there. It's so pretty. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Let's start with the sequence. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Look at this. It's in an organza bag. I think that's the kind of bag it is. Look at the pumpkin and the leaf there. And I think you can see the sequence. It looks like it's orange and gold. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at these mushrooms. You know I love mushrooms. And they're in autumn colors, fall colors. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at this. This is my Creative Time mailbox. Did not have this. And it's so cute. I didn't pick this up and I truly regretted it. I wish she would bring this one back. There we go. It's so cute. Look at that. And it is a gift card holder there. So, thank you so much, Lady Cree. Oh, Sister Michaels. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Oh. And then Cuddle Me Clay flowers. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. I love her flowers. Everyone knows that by now. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Shower me with Cuddle Me Clay Tay goodies. Look at that. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Love, love, love it. Lady Cree. Oh my gosh. I know whose wallet this is. This is a wallet that's by My Creative Time, if I'm not mistaken. Just too cute. Look at that with the little cup there. Love, love, love this. It says thanks a latte. She sent a Starbucks card. All right, next round is on me. Well, I will surely be using that. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Super cute. And then look at this. Oh my goodness. Hold up. Wait a minute. We got some little mushroom. They're like little buttons. Oh, look at this. These are too cute. So cute. And then she has some fall papers. Oh my goodness. Look at this shred. That looks so cute. And then the fall paper, which way? Recollections. And you can see all the colors there. Really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Lady Cree, you made my day. Love everything. Oh my gosh. It's just beautiful. I'm going to use these. They're not going to go to waste. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. I appreciate you thinking about me and sending me some wonderful, amazing goodies. And I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Love you to life. And you all have a blessed and crafty day. Make sure you visit the ladies' channels down below and go over and tell them I sent you. Make sure you subscribe to each and every one of them. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.